So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to add Superscript on the Google Docs mobile application. So for example, if you wanted to do like, I don't know, 4 cubed, instead of doing this or whatever, you want to go ahead and actually add like the cubed logo or whatever, Superscript, go ahead and add 4 right here. Then you can slide this middle bar to the far right, press on the A with the underline. Then where it says right here, there's text, there's a bunch of different options. Select the one where it says x squared and the squared part is in the upper right. Go ahead and do that. And this time when you were to go ahead and type right here, you can plus 3 like that. And there you have all of a sudden add Superscript in this case. So instead of doing 4 cubed like that, you can do 4 cubed or whatever you guys need Superscript for. It's there and pretty easy for you. So that is how to add Superscript on the Google Docs mobile application. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.